my name is Allegra. I am a frog. I am green. I have 4 legs. I live on the farm. Hello, my name is Mia. I'm an octopus. I'm pink. I have 8 legs. I live in the sea.
My name is Clarissa. I am a crab. I am red. I have 6 legs. I live on the beach.
Hello, my name is Benedetta. I am a starfish. I am pink. I have 5 legs. I live on the beach. Hello, my name is Isabel. I am yellow. I am soft. I have 2 legs. I live on the farm. My name is Giovanni. I am a dog. I am green and white. I have 4 legs. I live on the farm. Hello, my name is Michelle. I am a bird. I am red, blue. I live on the tree. Hello, my name is Vicky. I am a SeaWorld. I am multicolored. I have 1 leg. I live in the sea.